So did you know every Mercedes has a workshop menu that will allow you to reset service data and see additional parameters of the engine that are not displayed within the normal dashboard? Now every Mercedes is slightly different how you do it. However, if you have this type of steering wheel, then this will work regardless of which model range your car is. Again, very simply, all you need to do is make sure that the trip data is displayed in the middle of the dash, or if you have the progressive display, that the trip menu is shown on the side with those numbers showing. You then just press the home button for 2 seconds, and on the 3rd second you press this, and let me show you. 1, 2, 3, and up it pops, vehicle data. So select vehicle data, and then you can start reading the additional parameters. So in this case, the battery charging and the state of health, some hardware, software numbers, the exact time that the car is working on in your time area, because you might have it adjusted for something else, various production numbers, and then importantly just confirms the engine, the type of vehicle, so you know in case anything's been cloned within the car when you're buying one. Your oil level, now when you switch the engine on, that will light up, tell you how much oil is in the engine at what temperature. And then when you scroll down again, it will tell you how much to add or not, as the case may be, in order to put it to the maximum. I'm not going to add any to this because car goes in for service next week, so no issues there. Scroll down, confirmation of the VIN number, the AdBlue settings, and then back to the battery. So hopefully that will be of use to you. Noting that if you then scroll back one, the other issues on here, the brake pad replacement and the Assist Plus, I've covered under different videos, so that should hopefully be of use to you next time you might need to know particularly your oil level check, and it just says oil not full in the normal service data. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, and if you like, please give it a thumbs up, and please, if you feel free, please subscribe to the channel to help it grow. Thank you.